Let's check out this customer's next-gen Raptor build by Custom Outfitters. Starting from the front, we have the Rhino Evolution Bull Bar that go great with the custom integrated grille lights. And down here, we have the Carbon 12K winch that's used for pulling heavy loads. This Raptor is on 35-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler tires that are paired with the KMC Trek wheels, and this combination offers great traction, durability, and aggressive tread patterns. This also has the Hammer Warrior Sports Bar that also has the mounted rear lights. On this next-gen Raptor build, we have a few black Venom accessories, including the roof pod lights, giving greater visibility when driving in low light conditions. And on the back here, we have a super easy to use electric roller shutter, which you can open using your key fob by pressing the unlock 3 times. And lastly, we have the trailing arm protection sensor kits, which are designed to protect the trailing arms from any damage. And how can we forget about the Stedi RGB underbody lights that add just that little bit extra style? And on the inside of the Raptor, we have the Ford Performance rubber mats, as well as the Blackvue dash cam. Ever thought about upgrading your 4x4?
Build your dream ride with Custom Outfitters, where we're all about custom.